Hello everyone, today I wanted to do a review and demo of Razer Tartarus V2 and show you some features and hopefully answer any questions you may have. Let's jump right in. Is a gaming keyboard with an ergonomic design and advanced features for key customization and macros. This keyboard has 32 programmable keys that can be configured to activate macros and assign specific commands. Key illumination can be customized with Razer Synapse software, allowing you to customize the appearance of the keys to suit your gaming style. The keyboard includes built-in memory for storing custom macro profiles, allowing you to switch between games quickly without having to reconfigure each time.